Hi, I'm Chitran. Wish you a happy World Nature Conservation Day. This year theme is cut down the plastic. Don't let Mother Nature become a once upon a time. Nature is a painting for us. Day after day, pictures of infinite beauty. John Ruskin. Earth provides enough to satisfy every man's need but not every man's grief. Mahatma Gandhi. Environment is a gift from God. Taking care of it is a return gift. Besat Nisarlon. Be positive to nature, save the natural resources to save the humanity and culture. Vijendra Kumar. Caring a tree is caring your soul. Amit Roy. Conservation is the harmony between men and land. Also, Leopold. Those who conserve and preserve nature deserve to be part of nature. A mole guard. The earth is all we have in common. Wendell Berry. When I am stuck on a question, I spend time in nature and find my answer. Katrina Mayer. If conservation of natural resources goes wrong, nothing will go right. M.S. Swaminathan. The world is beautiful because of these natural resources, so we should consider it and must preserve it. Love and care for the earth and it will care for you more. It is not wrong to say that the health and well-being of a person is directly proportional to the time he spends in touch with nature. Love nature and conserve. The conservation of natural resources is a fundamental problem. Unless we solve that problem, it will avail us little to solve all others. Theodore Roosevelt.